Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in James 1 verse 12. Blessed is the man that endureth temptation, for when he is tried he shall receive the crown of life, which the Lord hath promised to them that love him. So that is the message of the Lord for you today, that God wants you to endure. Endure, because you have a great rewards. God is giving you a hope. God doesn't want you to fail. God is giving you a joy and not a trauma. God wants you to stand in a rock. God is your rock. God wants you to stand in faith. God is looking to your faith. Your faith is low. God wants your faith to be higher. Surely you will receive the crown of life, and soon you will have it in your head. That is the promise of God for you, because you endure the temptations. Move, and don't stay. Stand up and don't stay. Be removed to the other places to share the words of God. Have faith in God. Trust in Him at all times, and keep His words at all times, and study His words. Get purity. Live in it. Live in the words of God. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you all. Bye.